Here are the key points of navigation for your organizational homepage. The Home button. This button is located throughout Brightspace to easily return to your organizational homepage. The Minibar. Quickly access any course you are enrolled in or teaching, global notifications, and your profile settings. From your username on the Minibar, you can make changes to your user profile, notifications, account settings, and also log out. The Navbar. Configurable by your administrative team, the Navbar is a list of tools surfaced on your page for convenient access to powerful Brightspace features. Homepages can be customized with Brightspace Widgets. Widgets are powerful tools that augment and enrich the user experience, such as announcements, quick eval, calendar, and access to any course you were enrolled in with the My Courses widget. From the organizational homepage, select the desired course using the My Courses widget or the course selector icon at the top right of the page. Now that you are at the course level homepage, you will notice that the navbar has changed to reflect the tools that are available to you within your course. This is an example of what D2L recommends as a course homepage configuration. Brightspace is highly customizable, and your institution may have chosen a different configuration. With very similar features to the organizational homepage, there are a few key points of navigation to optimize your time in course. Select the course title to return to the course homepage at any point. As a faculty member, you will spend most of the time managing and editing your course within the Content tool. The Content tool is your all-in-one tool for creating and managing all your course materials. We recommend using this tool as the most efficient way to link to the various tools throughout the course. The Announcements widget. This widget helps you stay connected with your students by making it easy to access and create announcements. Course Admin. If you cannot find a tool at any point, Course Admin will bring you to the page that lists all tools enabled in your course. This means some tools could be named differently or not available. For more information on creating content and managing your course, see Setting Up and Managing Your Course and Create Course Content.